Hello guys, welcome to Mingda Technology. This is Lily. Today let me show you our company's profile in the products. Mingda Technology was established in 2009 and Alibaba 9-year-ago supplier. Over the years, Mingda existed on the R&D, manufacturing, and services of 3D printer, and has made great progress with dozens of invention patents, as well as software property rights. At present, Mingda has formed a complete supply chain in 3D printing industry, including 3D scanner, 3D design software, 3D printer, 3D printing filament, and 3D printing service, etc. We commit ourselves to offer high-quality equipment and VIP service for 3D printing education, national maker projects, small and mid-sized enterprises, etc.